Hi there, lovely Mixup Corner lovers. You're welcome to another edition of Mixup Corner with me, Caroline Owusu Asamoah. If you have not subscribed yet, please touch that, that red thing down there. Yeah, make sure you click on it and subscribe. Well, today the words we're going to be looking at are fan, F-A-N, and fun, F-U-N. People, confuse these words a lot. They abuse it, in fact. I'm your number one. Fun. No, it's not like that. Well, what's the difference? F-A-N, okay, is simply a device that blows cooling air. So like the fan that is here that's going round and round and round. Fan, okay, that's fan. Or a fan can mean a devoted person who is passionate about someone. So fans of, Joe Metal, fans of Daniel Pepra, fans of Owusu Asamoah, something like that, or fans of Mixup Corner TV. But when you say fun, F-U-N, it simply means something enjoying, okay, something that brings enjoyment or an enjoying experience. So I had fun. So those are the differences. Fan, F-A-N, the one that blows, and someone who is excited about, somebody else and following the person, and F-U-N, enjoyment, enjoying experience. So those are the differences. Don't get it mixed up. Subscribe. Bye.